I couldn't find too much information online regarding the dripless shaft seal on my Centurion boat, so I decided to make my own. This is how it's constructed. It's basically two grease seals and a grease fitting that you can replenish the grease inside. You can probably fix it if you need to by replacing those seals. To service it, what you'll have to do is remove the two screws completely and connect to the grease nipple. Also, make sure that you do get water flowing into that cooling water input. If you don't get water in there, you will burn those grease seals. Usually it's connected to the exhaust cooling. In this picture, you can see the Phillips screw on the other side. Make sure to remove it. You will need one of these grease pumps with the hose. You will have to pump grease into that until grease comes out of both openings. You can see here the grease squishing out of these holes. It does make a mess, but that's usually the way it is with grease. Clean it up, put the screws back. Make sure you put back the screw in the back and the one in the front. Don't forget there are two of them. Make sure you also return the water line or you will burn your seals. You can see it in this picture.